I've met people from all over the world, which has really opened my eyes. People outside of my industry. I've met someone in HR from China, someone who does compliance and fintech from London. I met all kinds of people from all different industries.
Working with Quantic, one of the concerns I had was the ability to connect with my peers in the online format. I feel Quantic has done a really great job in providing the tools and the options to make those connections, both in the remote and in-person learning perspectives.
That for me stood out the most, having that worldwide network. And being able to travel to different countries with people you've just chatted online with, or you've seen the name. So for me, that really stood out. I want to network. I love networking. It's like one of my things I love doing, and Quantic was giving that to me. So I've met a lot of people at Quantic conferences, and even just doing my cohort, and they could range from Nigeria to US to Canada to India or even China, so it's a very diverse background of people I've worked with. And every time I talk to someone, they leave a piece of them with me. And I think for me, that is a really key thing. Like, I take away something from them and I see how I can change my life with their knowledge. So if you are looking to kind of gain that experience, go for it.